Good day mga ka-teachers! So ngayon naman ipag-uusapan natin kung paano nga ba gumawa ng objectives na galing sa MILCS, which is learning competencies na galing sa MILC. Paano mo yan isa-chunks or kung paano mo ba yan gagawa ng objectives, diba? Kapag sa MILCS kasi is makikita mo learning competency lang yan. So paano mo ba gagawing objectives, which is dapat tatlo yan. We have the cognitive, we have the psychomotor, and effective, di ba? Sa ibabaw, we have content standard, performance standards, and learning competencies. And then, meron na rin yung code na makikita mo sa pinakadulo ng MILCS or curriculum guide. So, paano mo ba gagawan yan ng objectives? Kasi meron na minsan na naghahanap sila or like for example, mag-demo ka o mag-CO ka, naghahanap sila ng learning objectives. Dapat meron kang learning objectives. So, like for example, this one, kasi napaka-easy naman yan eh. Kasi, like for example, kapag gagawa ka ng activity or ng evaluation sa the end of your topic, diba dapat kasi align yan sa objectives mo. So, like for example, we have here our learning competency. Gagawa natin yan ng objectives. Okay, so minsan, hindi naman kinakailangan talaga na dapat may cognitive, psychomotor, at affective ka. So, importante ay align lang ang iyong mga activities sa iyong objectives. Okay? So, minsan may mga evaluator din naman na hindi humahanap na mga dapat tatlo, cognitive, psychomotor, affective, meron talaga. Okay, sige, let's try. So, we have here the objectives or the learning competency. Gagawa natin ng objectives. So, learning competency describe the meaning of probabilities such as 50% chance of rain and 1 in a million chance of winning. Okay, so first is pwede nating lagyan ng objectives na define or describe what is probability. Yan, first. And the second is pwede din naman, lagyan natin sa pinakadulo. Ano ba activity natin? Ito. So, like for example, ito yung ating evaluating learning. So, like for example, lalagay natin sa second is identify the probability of outcomes and description of probability given the following situation. Ayun. So, ayan. So, eto kanina. So, what is probability? Define or describe what is probability. And pwede naman yung pinaka-last mo na objectives is participate in class discussion with the 85% of mastery level. Ayun. So, ganyan lang naman kasimple yan para ma-perfect ang demo at CO. So, dapat ay handa at alam kung paano gumawa ng lesson plan. Ayan lang, sana nakatulong sa iyong video na ito.